Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're continuing coverage of Joe Nall 2025, celebrating 25 years at the Triple Tree location. It's the 43rd annual Joe Nall. And one of the staples here, every year in the vendor row, is Tim from Red Baron Hobbies. And folks, let me say this. If you have a plane, if you have a jet, if you have a prop, if you have whatever, you want to protect it. And one of the best ways to protect it is prop bags, wing bags, fuselage bags. And when you're at the field, you also want to make sure you got a way of protecting your cockpit because, folks, it gets hot in the summertime and the heat, the temperature inside can be insane. Tim, thanks so much for being here today. Tell us a little bit about what you have here on the table. Let's start with these wonderful bags right here.
Yeah, so we make all of our own bags right here in the United States. Anything from the one-piece warbirds all the way down to your 48-inch aerobatic planes and anything in between. If we don't make it currently as a stock product, we do custom bags, any shape, any size. We've had customers request one-piece wing bags for 12-foot wing panels, so we can do anything that you guys are looking for.
Fantastic. Now, I see up on the board here, you've got two different types of wing bags. You've got those that are nice and straight there in the distance, such as a Hershey bar style wing. We can see them there. And then just to the left of those, we've got wing bags for those that are swept back. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct. Most of the tapered wing bags are for your aerobatic aircraft, your extras, your edges, Sukhois, things like that. And then the Hershey style wings are for like your Carbon Cubs, Cessna 170s, other high wing aircraft. We also do biplane bags and things like that.
Now you've got a very large bag up there, that big one up on the top of the shelf. What is that right there, my friend?
So that's a one-piece warbird from Top Flight. You know, they made I believe they were 85-inch wingspans.
Okay.
So we actually make that bag in two different widths. If you're carrying your drop tanks and your bombs, we carry a wider bag. And for those that carry a clean wing, we carry one that's a little bit narrower.
Fantastic. Well, folks, that's wonderful to hear. So not only do you have one for individual wings, you have it for the entire wing as well. Let's go to your right there. So I see you've got some prop bags right here. Tell us why. Why would I want a prop bag?
So, like the prop covers here, they're designed so that you don't damage your prop, not only in transport, but sitting at home. I can't tell you how many times I've taken a plane in or out of my house and I've just clipped the door and I cracked the prop and then your day's done. Or you get to the field, the plane has shifted a little bit in your car, and again, you've broken your prop or clipped or cracked the prop and your day's done.
And some of these props, especially the large ones, they get to be pretty expensive.
Yeah,
I mean, 200, 300, especially getting into the carbon fibers and things like that.
Correct.
Very, very, very full scale like I see. Fantastic. All right, now over here, let me come on around this way, folks. Stay with me, everybody. Tim, you stay right there. You're in a perfect spot. Folks, not only does he have prop bags, not only does he have wing bags, not only does he have fuselage bags. Tim, what am I looking at right here?
So these are our battery carrying cases. This is actually what launched the company, was this particular bag right here. I was looking for something I could carry my 5 cells, my 6 cell, 7 cell batteries to and from the field. So when you're at home, you put your charged batteries up here. As you use them throughout the day, you move them over to there. That way you know exactly how many batteries you have and how much more time you get to have fun at the field.
Green means go, red means stop.
That's correct.
That is brilliant, folks. Can you believe that? That's a wonderful idea. Green are the charged batteries, red are the batteries that have been discharged because you've been using. That's a wonderful idea. Now, finally, one thing we've got down here, as I showed a second ago on one of the planes, let me pan again to one of the planes here on my left. We've got our wonderful canopy covers, as you can see right here. And tell me the advantage of having a canopy cover for a plane, if you will.
So what we've done is we've taken a material that's UV resistant, it's also water resistant, and what it does, it keeps the inside of your aircraft cool, and it doesn't let the heat build up. Your canopy won't warp, your electronics won't get hot. This helps to reflect the sun and the heat to keep it outside of the inside of your aircraft.
So much like the wing bags and the fuselage bag, can you custom make a canopy bag?
Of course, yeah. Anything that we do, again, because we manufacture it, we can make anything in the world that anybody needs. Yeah, and then everything that we make comes with a lifetime warranty. Again, because we control the manufacturing, it's not some kid in China making 25 cents an hour in a sweatshop. We get to control it all, so we back it up.
Well, fantastic. Well, folks, we've seen some fantastic products throughout Joe Nall, but let me be honest with you. This is a real treat right here because we love our planes. We don't want to see them damaged because, folks, not only is it a pain, it can end our day in terms of flying. So, Tim, I want to thank you so much for coming out with some great products. More importantly, I want to thank you for your time.
Thank you.
All right, friends, more to come.